In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text vertically and horizontally in Microsoft Word. If you've ever been unsure about how to make your text perfectly centered on a page, you're not alone. But don't worry, I'll walk you through this process step by step, so let's get started. First, open up your Microsoft Word document. If you haven't already, go ahead and type the text that you want to center. This method works for any amount of text, whether it's a single word, a paragraph, or even more extensive blocks. Now, the goal here is to center the text both vertically and horizontally, giving your document a balanced and professional appearance. Next, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen where the tabs are located. You'll want to click on the Layout tab. Keep in mind that depending on your version of Word, this could also be labeled as Page Layout. Both lead to the same place, so no need to worry. Once you're under the Layout tab, look for the Page Setup group. You might notice a small arrow in the lower right corner of this group. Clicking this arrow will open up the Page Setup dialog box. It's a handy tool that provides various options for setting up your page, from margins to orientation and more. In this dialog box, you'll see multiple tabs, and you'll want to select the Layout tab. Within this tab, there's an option labeled Vertical Alignment. Initially, it might be set to top, which is the standard positioning for text in most documents. Click on this option and change it to Center. By doing this, you're ensuring that your text is vertically centered on the page. After selecting Center for the vertical alignment, go ahead and click OK. You should now see your text magically move to the middle of the page vertically. Now we're halfway there. To finish off this process, it's time to center the text horizontally. First, highlight the text if it's not already selected. Then, head over to the Home tab, which can be found right at the top of your screen. There you'll find the Center button among the alignment options. Clicking this button will align your text horizontally. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing Ctrl+E will give you the same result. And there you have it. Your text should now be perfectly centered vertically and horizontally, creating a balanced and aesthetically pleasing look for your document. This technique is particularly useful for creating flyers, title pages, or any document where you want to focus the reader's attention directly in the center. Remember, centering text is not just about visual appeal. It can also make your content more engaging and easier to read. I hope this simple tutorial helps you achieve the perfect layout for your documents. Keep experimenting and don't hesitate to use these features to enhance your document's presentation.